Here's a little August update of the grow room. The room is changing so fast constantly. I like to show it often. So you get to see the process here. The tote down on the bottom left is where this main cucumber plant is being grown. This one tote system probably produces almost 5 large cucumbers per week. And here's my Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. We're at about 135 days in on that plant right now. That's being grown in my big bucket system. And these are still some of the cucumbers grown in that 20-gallon tote. And some of my strawberries. We picked probably about 30 of them yesterday, so out of every system, the let pots work the best for strawberries. They're grown in cocoa and perlite. Here's my poblano plant. It produces like crazy. I've picked 57 off of it just in one day alone. Sold those to the Mexican restaurant. I use almost one a day for myself for any kind of cooking. I even cut them and put them in my fresh salads that I bring to work every day for my lunch. And here's my new cucumber setup. I have 4 different varieties growing in here, plus my pineapple plant you can see there. I just harvested off this a couple of days ago, so you're not seeing any cucumbers right now. And those are being grown in a 50-gallon tote. You just pick them up at Lowe's. Here's my garden system. This is 100% lettuce. For my daily salads for myself at work, and I've also been selling lettuce for $10 a pound. My iHarvest, here's my red bell pepper. Then I have jalapenos on the right. They're not growing very well because the fan's hit them so hard it just dries out the plant. I'm running my fan on high. And another one of my Sugar Rush Peach Stripey plants. And then I also have strawberries and lettuce in that system. Here's my Lettuce Grow farm stand. This is 100% lettuce on the front side, and the back side's all strawberries. The lettuce in the Lettuce Grow gets probably 2 to 3 times the size as the lettuce in the garden system, just because the root systems are so much larger. And I just showed you there one of my another one of my pepper plants. That was a cayenne pepper. And these strawberry plants in the iHarvest here are well past a year old. I just picked up another lettuce grow system last weekend. Did a couple-hour drive with the family just to get out of town, and picked up another system. And some more cucumbers. I have cucumbers growing about everywhere. I use about 5 myself per week just for juicing purposes, not counting what the family eats or what I sell at work. And you can see all the poblanos, they're just everywhere. The branches can't even hold themselves up very good anymore because they're so heavy. More cucumbers. They're grow perfect in this just a 20-gallon tote. Here's 2 Let Pot Maxes plus an AeroGarden 360. These Let Pot Maxes automatically fill the unit with water that pulls its own water in and adds its own nutrients as needed. And here you can just see the whole grow room.